Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To make replacing the power cord on your dishwasher easier, we recommend uninstalling the dishwasher from the cabinet. To do this, first unplug the old power cord from the cabinet outlet and shut off the water supply valve. Next, rotate the lower access panel fasteners counterclockwise to remove. Then pull out the access panel and sound dampening pad. Unthread the fitting to remove the water supply line from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill out. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink drain or garbage disposer and feed it through the cabinet, along with the old power cord. Open the dishwasher door and remove the mounting bracket screws. To move the dishwasher, you may need to adjust the legs to lower the appliance. Now, to avoid damage, very carefully pull the dishwasher away from the cabinet. Remove the screw to release the junction box cover. Untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Loosen or remove the screw to release the grounding wire. Now use a flathead screwdriver to help remove the strain relief nut. Detach the strain relief from the junction box and remove the old cord. Prepare the new power cord for installation by first sliding on the provided strain relief, leaving approximately a 1/4 inch of insulation extending past the relief. Tighten the screws to secure. With the nut removed, insert the strain relief into the junction box. Replace and tighten the nut to secure. Connect the wires using the wire nuts. Position the new grounding wire and secure it with the screw. Align the cover plate and replace the screw to secure. Make sure both the new power cord and the drain hose are accessible through the cabinet wall. Then gently slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Adjust the leveling legs if necessary. Replace the screws to secure the mounting brackets to the cabinet or countertop. Feed the drain hose through the cabinet and connect it to the sink drain or garbage disposer. Make sure the hose is elevated above the connection point. Attach the water supply line to the inlet port and tighten the fitting to secure. Reposition the lower access panel and sound dampening pad, then secure the panel with the fasteners. You're now ready to turn the water supply back on. Plug the new power cord in and confirm that the dishwasher is working properly.